Check it out, bros. I got the fucking, I got the new CCCs off eBay. These are the only goods I can find on eBay. And they're so fucking good. Oh my god. These are like bearings, you know? But like good bearings. Doesn't tap, no tap. And the latch, fucking, the cops took my tool because it's like kind of threatening. And, the fucking, can't take that shit off. I was gonna hammer it, but I'm gonna later take it off the normal way. But, you know, I miss flipping with a latch because you can do the latch drops. It's like the easiest beginner trick, and it's cool as fuck. It's, you know, grab your pocket like, what the fuck was that? That's what I like about the trainers, because, you know, it still fucking hurts, like a lot. I'm sure you don't want that. You'll hit herself with the Balisong on accident. But this one, I like it because it looks like that one Balisong that was like a 51 ripoff. I forgot what it was called. But yeah, hella good, man. Dude, meth changed me. Holy shit, man. It's gonna be a quick video. I haven't done that shit in like a minute, and it's just like fixed something in my brain. Weird. This one tap? Oh, this one taps. See, man, this way I feel it feels more normal. But I can't feel the weight of the latch as much. And I like it because you can screw it down, twist it, and it's just like that. Now it doesn't. And it's Zen pin, so it'll hold that tension for like a while, you know. The adjustable ones are cool. Just know they do break off pretty easily. In the past, they did. Fuck yeah, dude. It was low-key a mess, but it's fine. It's a work in progress. Just take your time, you know what I mean? Don't rush things. This is what I notice. I'm chasing that bag, bro, but you gotta, like, walk to it, you know what I'm saying? If you stop for, like, 30 minutes, let your fucking legs recharge. What is water in the middle high life? Mm-hmm. Yep, 2 keyboards. Mm-hmm. This is the best Red Bull, pineapple one. Second phone, I'm selling that shit. Keycast. What you got? Heads or tails? I'll get heads. Let's see what fucking heads when I get heads. I'm doing tails all day. Oh, what the fuck? Head? Okay, heads, and I fucked it up. No, I don't count that one. Okay, tails. Yeah, check it out. Right as soon as I pick heads, I'm in 2 tails. Falls heads on my hand. Yeah, let's spin. Yeah, check it out. See, I only get it my way when it fucks up. I've been noticing that the past few games. It's crazy. There's like more shit to life. Like, God's fucking come back, I swear to God. Yeah, that's why we all fucking say that shit. Jesus Christ, it just feels right. Okay, this is the other. It's on the phone with the eSIM. Fucking can't transfer that shit. Let me show you something on my computer, nigga. Oh, perfect timing? Or nah? Okay, whatever. Yeah, so you get the fucking Snapchat app now. Okay, what about this? Change line, fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, dude. Sounds good, yeah. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Oh, Maddie! Do I have anything in my FL Studio saved? Oh, that below beat. Hopefully I have that saved. See, this shit loads so much fucking faster. That's why I want to get a MacBook. Let's see what this is. Okay, there's nothing. Fuck this program. I have it, but like, fuck it. I'm a pirate. Arr, matey. David Shine. Oh yeah, I did vocal. I forgot about this. Oh yeah, it's all like fucked up. I don't know why it's all fucked up for no fucking reason. Oh, it's off beat. Okay, wait. There we go, okay. Sound of that, adding that fucking Vision Sampler from that. That fits better. I don't know how to order. That's right, I gotta flatten it out. Oh yeah, this is. $22. Nice number. Oh yeah, this thing's so fucking good. I'll keep the latch on this one, but the other one is a bit more handle bias, like blocky, so it'd be nice with the latch on there, the balance. But these are like nice bearings, man. They're like $30 a pop, I think. I'm gonna do a giveaway. We got 500 followers. It keeps dipping down. I want 555. Give me 555, and I'll give away the other one. I'll break the latch off with that, so it's fun. Throw in a fire. No, it's not fun. Oh no. No, I'm gonna fucking bearings. No tippy tap. Oh shit, I can't. I'm doing shit somewhere.